Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. This is going to be a really fast update. So the last time you saw my marigolds was 18 days ago. That was back on March the 28th. I didn't realize that amount of time had elapsed since my last video. But anyway, you can see if you go back to the last video on my channel, you'll see this one here on these marigolds from March the 28th, and you can see the huge difference in these flowers. I'll just give you a little different view here. You can see how nice these are. So these here are getting grow lights from 8 o'clock in the morning until 11 o'clock at night. So these have not seen outside yet. We still have snow outside, not very great weather. So these have not even been outside at all yet. Maybe next week we're supposed to get a little better weather, and maybe I'm going to start putting them outside just for a few hours a day. But look at that. So those are those two there. And then you'll also notice that I had another one. And there this one is. A little smaller one, but still coming along super well. And imagine all of those nice flowers, 100% free, created from these little pods here that I harvested last year. Look at that. Pretty amazing what you can do with things like this that most people will just throw out at the end of the year. So if you want to see all of the progress right from the beginning, you can check out all the videos on my channel. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.